Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up your Xiaomi router. And before I start, I want to remind you that if my video will help you, please support my work. Half of all donations I send to animal shelters. All details are in the description down below. The first step is turning on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router. Connect one end to an outlet and the other end to the router. When the router powers on, the indicator will illuminate. It may take a few minutes for it to completely turn on. The next step is to connect the cable from your internet service provider or from your modem to the internet port. This port is often marked as internet and typically has a different color. Each cable should be inserted until it clicks. You now need to reset the router to its original factory settings. Hold down the reset button on the router for 10 seconds. Wait for the router's indicator lights to start flashing. Occasionally, this button can be found inside the router casing to avoid accidental presses. In this case, use a thin object to press it down. The router will reboot, and all the settings will return to their factory defaults. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable from the router into a LAN port. The other end into the Ethernet card of your computer or laptop. Wait a few minutes for connection. Great, the router is connected to your computer. Now you need to set it up. But first, if you don't have an Ethernet cable or your computer doesn't have an Ethernet port, I'll show you another way to connect the router. All you need to do is connect the router with the power adapter and the cable from your internet provider. This will enable Wi-Fi. If your router is new, the name of your Wi-Fi network will be the same as the name of your router. Your router has its own Wi-Fi network name and password that is printed on a label. Connect to it. Great, you've connected to the router. Now let's start setting it up. First, open your web browser and visit the URL you see on the screen. Use the URL bar instead of the search bar. At the beginning, you will see a form with a login and password. Usually, it is admin and admin. If these credentials are wrong, then find label on your router. The credentials are often printed on the bottom of the device. If none of this works, it means that your router has already been configured and someone has changed the login and password. If you can't find out the login credentials, just reset the router to factory settings. And then log into the router's personal cabinet using the standard credentials. So, on the first page right here, you need to select the router language. I'll leave English. Next, check these boxes right here. And click here to select your country or region. If you don't see your country, you can choose any option. Once you've selected your country, click Next. And then click the button Try It Now. On the next page, the router will try to detect your internet connection type. Usually, it detects it correctly. So just click the next button. But if you want to select the connection type manually, then click right here. You can find this information in your contract with your internet provider. However, in most cases, the router automatically detects the connection type correctly. By the way, here you can set up your router as an access point. But that's a topic for another video. Once you've chosen your connection type, click the next button. On the next page, you need to set the name and password for your Wi-Fi network. In this field, type the network name. And in this field, type the network password. To see what you are typing, click right here. The password must be at least 8 characters long. This password will also be used to log in to the router's admin panel. If you want to set a separate password for the router's admin panel, uncheck this box right here and enter a password for the admin panel. For a better experience, automatically upgrade the firmware version for you when the router is idle. To do this, check this box right here and click the next button. Wait about half a minute. On this page, you will see all your router's details. It is recommended to save a screenshot of your Wi-Fi password below. If you were connected to the router via Wi-Fi, reconnect to the network using the new settings. For the settings to take effect, you need to reboot the router. To do this, go to the router's admin panel using the new credentials. Then click right here and select Reboot. Click the Reboot Router button and click OK. Wait a couple of minutes for the router to fully restart. Now check if the internet is working. Just try Googling something. If there's no internet connection, you need to try cloning your MAC address. To do this, log back into the router's admin panel. Go to the Settings menu. Then Network Settings. And here, in the MAC address clone section, click the Clone button. And reboot the router again. Wait a couple of minutes for the router to fully restart. Now check if the internet is working. Just try Googling something. If the internet still doesn't work, at this point you need to call your internet provider. They will tell you exactly what type of connection you need and what additional parameters to set. That's all. If my video was useful, please support my work. I send half of all donations to animal shelters. All the details are in the description below.